After 2 lessons, you might be thinking, C is an old language. Does it even matter anymore? Why not just learn popular languages like Python or JavaScript? Here's the truth. Almost every piece of electronics you use, from the Windows kernel, the iPhone's operating system, to the game engines you admire, all are built on the foundation of C or C++. C isn't obsolete. It's the bedrock of the digital world. In this video, I'll show you why C is the first language you must learn. Welcome back to Lesson 1.03. If you want to become a serious programmer, you need to understand the legacy of C. This is where everything started. C is a general-purpose procedural programming language initially developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Laboratories of AT&T Labs. It was mainly created as a system programming language to write the Unix operating system. C was a breakthrough. It allowed programmers to write fast, readable code like high-level languages, while still retaining nearly direct hardware control like assembly code. This balance is exactly what made C legendary. C didn't disappear. It lives underneath everything. If you use Windows, macOS, or Linux, you are running a system that is largely written in C. Hardware drivers that communicate with your printer or graphics card, they are often written in C. Even the modern programming languages you love, like Python, Java, JavaScript V8 Engine, or PHP, their core interpreters are written in C or C++ to ensure maximum speed. Learning C is learning how a computer actually works. Why you must learn C first. Reason 1. Memory. C forces you to learn direct memory management, pointers. This gives you deep insight into the stack and heap memory, concepts that high-level languages conveniently hide. Reason 2. Performance mindset. C has fewer built-in conveniences. It demands that you optimize every line of code. If you learn to write efficient code in C, you can write efficient code in any other language. Reason 3. Gateway to system programming. If you have ambitions to work with operating systems, embedded systems, IoT, or low-level AI, C is the mandatory first language. To sum up, C is the historical foundation, the modern backbone, and the best course for forging a professional programmer's mindset. It's time to get hands-on. To start your coding journey in C, the next step is setting up your environment. Depending on your operating system, please choose the appropriate video on the screen right now to set up your environment. If the videos exist,